Bullish Chiliz cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 58 cents and $1.10 by 2030. Market examiners accept CHZ could reach 45 cents by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is 10 cents. Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer-in-chief of Chiliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Preceding sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the customary games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ token. Fans can likewise buy select product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made determined to furnish fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers awards for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is as of now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise considers quick and proficient installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are controlled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Chiliz is as of now worth 12 cents USD. CHZ has moved 2.13% as of now with an exchanging volume of $61,294,335. Chiliz is at present positioned 55 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $899,714,129 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination to similarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Chiliz market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Chiliz Value Forecast 2023 Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The CHZ cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 19 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 18 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 15 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Chiliz CHZ cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 32 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the CHZ's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 25 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 28 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2025 assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 45 cents and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 41 cents and a low of 38 cents in 2025. Chiliz value expectation 2026. Assuming that Chiliz effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 58 cents, with a base cost of 51 cents and a typical cost of 54 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 67 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 64 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of 71 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 80 cents. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 84 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 77 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 90 cents and a yearly cost close above 97 cents in 2029. Chiliz value expectation 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.04 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.10, averaging out at $1.07. Chiliz value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging as a troublesome errand makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.27 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.22. And by and large, we think Chiliz is an exceptionally encouraging undertaking with a great deal of possibilities. The group has previously gained critical headway in developing its organizations, and presently they simply have to keep dealing with working on the genuine crypto token itself. Assuming they prevail with regards to doing as such, we accept that CHZ could become one of the top tokens in the space. What is the Chiliz cost today? Today, Chiliz is exchanging at 12 cents with a complete market capitalization of $899,714,129. Is Chiliz a wise speculation? Chiliz ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year, considering